About 9 months ago, this store was launched on Etsy and it has quickly made over 50k euros by selling simple watercolor clip art graphics with almost no competition. In today's video, I'm excited to share how you can kickstart this similar business using the power of AI. I'll take you through the process of using top-selling designs from this store to generate your own designs and a crucial step to finalize your designs for launching. So if you're dead serious about making waves in the realms of passive incomes online, keep watching because I'm about to review a valuable strategy that ensures a consistent long-term sales. So let's get straight to the point. After exploring various printable designs on Etsy, I identified a substantial demand for watercolor designs. This particular store, which specializes in selling simple watercolor clip art designs, really caught my attention with over 29,000 sales in a short period of time. And I can tell from the reviews that these customers has really become a regular customers. Now, here's where it gets interesting. To make sure jumping into selling this product is a smart move, I did a little research on this store by going to Google to search for Etsy Shop Analyzer. Then I discovered Alura, a paid Etsy Shop Analyzer. And guess what? You can analyze up to 10 Etsy Shop with a free account. So are you ready to dive into the research part? Go over to this research option and select Shop Analyzer. Go back to the Etsy store and copy the name and paste it in Alura. Now you can see that this store generates a monthly revenue of 5k euros and 50k in total revenue. And when you check below, you notice how much each listing is earning. Like this one listing that has made a good amount of revenue in a short period of time. Now let's talk about how to create these designs that sells like hotcakes. We are going to use the top selling designs in this store, which happen to be this watercolor flower vase. The trick here is to create different varieties of this one product, since a lot of people are purchasing this particular product and they will obviously need something similar. So here's how to start this design process. You are going to create a prompt that describes this one product. Once that is done, we go over to ChatGPT and ask it to provide 10 image generation prompt idea from this prompt description we created. And as you can see, ChatGPT provided different varieties of this prompt. And all we can do next is to copy one of the prompts to an image generation platform. But hold on, if you're thinking about using Midjourney, I want to remind you that Midjourney no longer have a free version. One has to pay $10 per month to use this platform. But guess what? We got a free alternative, which is Canva text to image. First, we create a custom size of 4500 by 4500 pixel. With this, you end up having 4K resolution. Once this is done, we'll click on this plus sign and select text to image. Canva text to image has where we can choose our dimensions and also has its own style we can choose from. But since our prompt contained the style we needed, we'll just click on the generate button. The images came out looking good, but we can make the images even better. Click on these 3 dots and choose generate more like this, and we've got more varieties to choose from. But remember to choose the ones with white background so it can fit to any white mockup. Once you've selected the perfect one, scale the image to fit the frame and export it as PNG or JPEG, and you are good to go. At this point, you're pretty done and ready to sell your product. But there's one last thing you need to do to deliver your products in a better way. Organize those beautiful designs in a Google Drive, copy the link of the folder and head over to Canva. Then create a PDF page with a download write-up. In Canva, hit that download button and choose the 3 dots. Swipe through the bottom section and choose link. Then paste your Google Drive link. Now, whenever your customers click on that download button, they'll be headed straight to that Google Drive folder. Now, here's a very important tips you need to know. Becoming successful in a competitive market like Etsy won't happen overnight. You need to consistently upload better quality designs, and with this dedication, sales will follow. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey today. If you have any question or want to share your Etsy experience, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Etsy content, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy creating.